We are back with another crypto airdrop tutorial, and this one has an extremely high chance of airdropping thousands of dollars. Let me welcome you to the Venom Foundation, which has received over $1 billion in grants. In this video, I'm going to explain what the Venom Foundation is and the best ways to qualify for the Venom airdrop. This will cost you $0, but will just take a few minutes of your time. So welcome back again. I'm Theo, a content creator for the Alt Crypto Talk team. Nothing in this video is financial advice, purely my own opinion and based on my own research. Do not invest in anything you can't afford to lose. And I would also like to say a massive thank you to everyone who's subscribed and shows support on our channel. You guys are absolutely incredible. And just like I promised, we are hosting a giveaway as we have hit the unbelievable milestone of 3,333 subscribers. I'm putting up a total of $99, so $33 will be given to 3 different community legends. To qualify, follow these simple steps. 1, obviously make sure you're subscribed on YouTube. 2, follow these Twitter accounts, Alt Crypto Gems, Alt Crypto Talk, and Hi Crypto Guy. Step 3, make sure to join the Alt Crypto Talk Discord. Step 4, in the YouTube comment section of any video, comment done and tell us what you love most about crypto. Step 5, keep up to date with every video we upload until the giveaway is announced. Good luck, and I will leave all the steps and links in the description. But before we start with the video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever. And be sure to follow us on Twitter at AltCryptoGems for daily crypto content, and check out our website for frequent guides, project reviews, articles, and everything crypto related. Okay, let's get started. So firstly, what is the Venom Foundation and how does it all work? Well, Venom is like a foundation for other blockchains to be built on. Just like a building has a foundation to support it, Venom is the foundation for other blockchains to be built upon. They've received a huge $1 billion worth of grants and are fully regulated by financial authorities in Abu Dhabi. This gives them a head start to become a leading blockchain in the space and is actively funding blockchain and Web3 projects with a focus on payment solutions, asset management, decentralized finance, and game finance. They will be offering a variety of solutions and products such as a multi-sig and non-custodial wallet, which is called the Venom wallet, and I'll get more into that shortly. Like every other blockchain, they've got an explorer, they've got pools and farms and so on where we can stake and earn extra cryptocurrencies. We've also got a bridge which we can move around all kinds of assets like fungible tokens or non-fungible tokens, whatever it may be. But what makes Venom different from everyone else is that they're a modular blockchain. And what I mean by that is that they outsource some of the chain functions to other blockchains, which allows Venom to remain fast and secure. Just like other major blockchains like Zilliqa, Venom also uses sharding, which also enables faster transactions. But the real world for Venom is to bridge decentralized finance and traditional finance together. They want to remove any middlemen, banks, and any KYC procedures, essentially making it a fully decentralized place. If you have any questions on the Venom Foundation, please let us know in the comment section below. If not, let's get started and let's learn how to qualify for the Venom airdrop. Okay, so first thing is first, you're going to need to get yourself onto the Venom website, which is venom.foundation, as you can see in the top left corner. The second step is to make sure that you have the Venom wallet, which is the native wallet to the entire ecosystem. So firstly, you want to go up to where it says ecosystem at the top. You want to click where it says Venom wallet. It's going to take you over to a new tab, and we're going to scroll down and click where it says Google Chrome, as we want to use the web version of this app. So it takes us over to the Chrome web store, where it shows us the official wallet on the store, and it shows us that it has over 20,000 users already. And just to let you know that the testnet went live 2 days ago, and in just 2 days that they have 20,000 users. So we're going to carry on and click add to Chrome, add extension. We can go up to the extensions at the top, and we're going to click this little pin button to add it to the extensions. So now it's up the top here and it's easy to access. We haven't got a wallet. We're not going to be using our ledger, and we're not going to be signing in with a seed phrase. We're going to be creating a new wallet. So we create new wallet. I accept the privacy policy, submit. So with your seed phrase, make sure that you have all the words written down. Make sure it's not on any digital item, and that includes computers, phones, tablets, or whatever it may be. It has to be on a piece of paper, otherwise your seed phrase is at risk. I don't know why they have this copy all words option, but they need to get rid of that ASAP. You do not want to be copying your words on a digital device. Please, please, please do not click this button. Make sure you've written it down on a piece of paper and then click this button. So you got to confirm your words. Once you have your seed phrase entered, you click confirm, and you're going to have to choose a password just like you do with all the other wallets. So once you have your password entered, you create the wallet. And now we have officially set up our wallet. So once you've got the Venom wallet set up, you're going to want to be on the venomwallet.com page, which as you can see, we're on right now. You're going to want to scroll down, and down below, you're going to see 2 buttons, one that says Explore Ecosystem and one that says Explore Testnet. So we're going to be choosing the Explore Testnet button as of now. If we scroll down a bit, we can see that there's already been 53 million transactions. There's already over 1.4 million accounts. We have now got our Venom wallet, which we have completed, and we want to now start the testnet. So we click Start Testnet, and it takes us over to a website called venom.network/tasks. So we're going to connect our wallet in the top right corner. We're going to be choosing the Venom Chrome extension because that's what we've just downloaded. This is our account. We're going to connect the wallet. Next step is to connect it with Twitter. Once we do sign in with Twitter, they are going to allow us to have some Venom testnet tokens. So we want to click login with Twitter. The application will be able to see your tweets, see your Twitter profile information and account settings, and see accounts that we follow, mute, and block. So we're going to authorize the app. And as you can see, we have now logged in with Twitter. If it doesn't work the first time, retry it again and it will most likely work. That's what happened with me. Next, we have to follow Venom Foundation on Twitter, and this will get us additional testnet tokens. So we click the follow button and we click follow, and we are officially following Venom Foundation. So we've completed that task and we can now claim our 50 Venom. So we click claim. You have to enter your password. As I do not want to be entering my password all the time now, I'm going to click remember password for this session. Click sign. Once you have set up your wallet and your 50 tokens are on the way, you can now start interacting more with the network. If we go over to get more testnet tokens, we can now complete more tokens. So if we log in with our Discord, we can earn an extra 5 Venom, which I'm going to do. Authorize, claim, and sign. We can also complete the daily quiz, so we can log on daily and complete this task. So we click start. Which consensus protocol does Venom use? And congratulations, you have successfully completed the task. So we click claim. Okay, so we got the 5 Venom before we got the 50 Venom. So obviously the 50 Venom must take a lot of time to come into the wallet. Next, we want to log in with your Venom wallet. So we click claim, click sign. So we successfully claim that. And then we have to claim our 40 testnet tokens for following Venom Foundation on Twitter. So we click claim, click sign. We have now got 15 Venom and we will have 55 Venom as soon as this is claimed. We can also join the Discord for extra tokens. So you just accept the invite. So basically you want to go through as many tasks as possible. Next, we want to go over to where it says earn NFTs achievements. So now this is the next best, most important part. As you can see, we can collect a variety of NFTs. We're going to need Venom, and we've completed 0 out of 3 tasks for the Venom Foundation. We've completed 0 out of 2 tasks for the Venom Wallet, 0 out of 5 for Web3 World, and the list goes on. So we have a variety of tasks to complete. The more tasks we complete, the more we're eligible to receive the airdrop. We could potentially receive more for the more tasks that we complete, and we could potentially receive less if we do not complete as many as we should. We're going to do as many as possible. I'm not going to go through all of it in this video. However, you will know what to do once I simply start these tasks. So the first one is to obviously follow Venom Network. So we can follow this Twitter user. This seems to be the Venom Network Twitter page, unlike the other Twitter page, which is the Venom Foundation. Task completed. Next, we have to complete a Twitter post about the Venom testnet. So we click tweet. Just claimed my first faucet tokens and I'm ready to use them on the Venom testnet. Get them yourself on venom.network. Just click tweet. Next, you go back. You can see that the task has been completed and we are now able to mint a free NFT. So we click mint. All it's going to ask is for 1 Venom and a blockchain fee of 0.002 Venom. Like always, we enter our password. Due to the fact that there's hundreds of thousands to millions of people doing this airdrop, it might take a bit of time. So you have to be patient. Once your NFT has been minted, you will go over to your Venom wallet up the top right corner. You will see that you have Venom over here, but you don't want to click on the assets button. You want to go over to where it says NFT. So as we can see, we've got our first NFT going back. If we go over to where it says Venom wallet, we can complete tasks over here. So all we have to do is send tokens and we have to send it to this wallet address. So we click this copy button. We go over to our Venom wallet up the top and we click the send button. We're going to click paste, which is the receiver address, and then we're going to choose however much you want to send this person. So I'm going to just do 2.4 just for an example. We're going to confirm the transaction. Transaction has been sent successfully. Once you have sent the tokens, you might have to wait 5 to 10 minutes before clicking mint NFT. However, you can come back to do that. So once you have done these tasks, the most essential ones to do are the Web3 World, the Venom Pools, the Venom Bridge, and the Venom Stake. You can also use the Oasis Gallery and the Venom Pad. So what you want to do is go over to Venom Pools, complete tasks, and you're going to want to stake some Venom. So we're going to want to go over to where it says testnetvenompools.com. Okay, so once you're on the Venom Pools website, we can now scroll down and we're going to choose a pool to stake with. So we choose any of the ones above. I'm going to choose the third one, click manage, connect your wallet, and you have to stake a minimum of 10 Venom. There's a staking fee of 0.5 Venom. Obviously, this is not a real staking pool. Therefore, there is no real monetary value. So we click as much as you want to stake. I'm going to do 12. Click stake Venom, confirm transaction, and it will lock up our funds for 36 hours. We will earn an APY of 40% and have a fee of 10%. But just remember, this is the testnet, so it has no real monetary value. Okay, so once your Venom has been staked, we can now go over back to on the Venom website, go back to the tasks, click check. When you do check to see if your tasks are completed, it will take a few minutes. So therefore, I recommend going back and then completing as many tasks as possible, and then later on confirming that you have done them. So I've shown you how to do the Venom pools, the Venom wallet. Now we're going to be using the first DEX on the Venom network, which is web3.world. So we complete tasks and we want to go over to where it says follow web3 world, follow. We can go back and we can see that it's done. Now we want to go and swap our tokens, add liquidity, and farm assets. Once we have done that, we can then mint the NFT, but remember it does take some time for it to validate all of these transactions. So go over to where it says testnet.web3.world, and this is a completely new page. So we're going to be swapping our Venom tokens, but first we need to connect our wallet. So at the top right corner, click connect wallet, and we're going to swap, let's just say 6 Venom to USDT. As we can see here, the Venom token price on the testnet is 27 cents. Obviously, we don't know what it will be when the real token is out, but this is it for now. So as we can see, the network does take a while to facilitate the transactions, but I'm assuming that's because the network is very congested as everyone is trying to qualify for the airdrop. We can also add tokens by going into our wallet, clicking where it says manage and choosing USDT as that is the token we just added. And we have to wait for the token to swap. Once you have made swaps, you want to go back to liquidity providing and choose any single pool that you like, open position. You would choose X amount of USDT that you have and X amount of Venom that you have. You have to make sure that you connect your account just like so, and then you are able to open liquidity pool positions. After that, you want to go over to the farm. Once you have swapped, you have provided liquidity and you've farmed, you can then go back to the website, make sure that you've checked all of these and then mint your NFT. We go back, you're going to want to use the Venom bridge. So you complete your tasks again, follow Venom bridge on Twitter, complete. It knows once you've followed them on Twitter. Once you have followed them, then you want to transfer tokens from Venom to EVM chains and then from EVM chains to Venom. Once you have done that, then you'll be able to mint the next NFT. Guys, you can pretty much do this with every single app. We go over to Venom Stake, it would be the same. You would just go over, stake Venom at testnet.venom.stake. So all you would do is go over to the website, click connect wallet, choose the same one, connect your wallet. And what we're going to want to do is stake any amount that you like. I'm going to choose 9. Click stake, confirm transaction. Transaction is sent, and to unstake it, you just click that button. But remember, this is the testnet, so you don't need to unstake anything. There's no real monetary value. So staking would be as simple as that. This network is very congested and slow at the moment. However, you would just click check and mint NFT again. Overall, we have done the Venom wallet. We have done the Web3 world, we have done Venom pools, we have done Venom stake. You would know what to do with the Venom bridge. You want to go over to the Oasis gallery as well if you would like and check out the NFT marketplace. And you can also check out Venom's very own launchpad, the Venom Pad. Essentially, all you want to do is just complete as many tasks as possible. If you run out of testnet tokens, go over to the top and where it says get testnet Venom, you go over to that button. And then you would just complete as many of these tasks as possible. Guys, you want to do as much as possible for the next few weeks until the Venom token is announced. Once it is, I'm sure that we will receive an airdrop. This seems to be a very community-driven blockchain, and they are incentivizing us to use their network, so I do believe that there will be an airdrop. It's just a matter of when. It hasn't cost us a single cent, which I'm extremely happy. Many other potential airdrops are costing hundreds of dollars, depending on what network you're using. However, with Venom, it is completely free and could make us thousands of dollars. So I am very grateful, and I'm hoping that there will be a huge airdrop for all of us. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe button and leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever. We also have other airdrop tutorials, which I'll leave the links in the description below. Don't forget to participate in our giveaway, and we currently have a promotion running on Bybit, the best centralized exchange platform for buying, trading and earning. Bybit is home to all your favorite cryptocurrencies, and you can claim up to $4,380 just by signing up using the link in the description below. It's simple. If you need help finding the right crypto gems, then follow us on Twitter at altcryptogems and head over to our website to get your hands on detailed project reviews, crypto guides and more. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful and informative. Until next time, DGens.